Welcome, children, to another class of clothes we wear. Children, why do we wear clothes? Do you know? Let's see what are the reasons of wearing clothes. We wear clothes because, first, what is it? They protect us from cold, rain, and heat. Then, they make us look smart and feel good. And finally, they cover our body and protect us from dust and germs. So these are some reasons for which we wear clothes. Next, we have two pictures of Miss Sunita. This is Miss Sunita and this is Mr. Tom. So they are wearing dresses and we have to match the names of the dresses to this picture. So who is wearing a skirt? It is Miss Sunita. Shirt, it is Mr. Tom. Trousers is Mr. Tom. Slippers, Miss Sunita. Shoes, Mr. Tom. And top, Miss Sunita. So this was fun. It is now becoming very interesting. Let's see. Read aloud the sentences and write true or false. So many women in India wear sari. So what it is? It is true. Some men wear dhoti and kurta. This is also true. Yes, in India, even men wear dhoti and kurta. Boys wear skirts to school. No, this is false. Boys wear pants to school. Both boys and girls wear jeans. It is true. Yes. Nowadays, we all wear jeans, whether it is a boy or a girl. Then girls do not wear frocks. That is false. Girls only wear frocks. Boys don't wear it. Now let's see, we have different kinds of clothes that we wear. So, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Why do we wear woolen clothes? Because it keeps us warm. And the wool that we wear, the woolen clothes that we wear comes from the sheep. The hair of the sheep is spun into wool and then it is knit to woolen clothes. Then in the summer season, what kind of clothes do we wear? We wear clothes made of cotton. These cotton cloths make us feel cool and they protect us from the heat of the sun. And from where do we get the cotton? We get the cotton from the cotton plant, which is spun into thread and then woven into clothes. Now there's another kind of fabric that we wear. We wear the silk clothes. So do you know from where do we get the silk? Yes, we get the silk from the silkworms. And we take it away from the silkworms and then spin it into silk clothes. We wear these silk clothes in special occasions. Then we also use leather items. Like we have purses, we have boots, we have belts and many more things made of leather. So we use leather for making shoes, belts, wallets and purses. So do you know from where do we get the leather? Yes, we get the leather from the skin of dead animals like buffalo, camel, etc. And we make shoes, purses and belts from this leather. Now from all these clothes, whatever do we wear, we get the raw materials from either nature or they are man-made. So the fibers that we use are either natural or man-made. Cotton, silk and wool, these are all natural fibers because we human beings don't produce it or we don't make it. It is the nature that gives us these fibers. And some fibers like nylon and rayon, they are made in factories. So they are a mixture of all these natural products which are combined together in factories to get a new product named nylon or rayon. These are called man-made fibers. Then we have special clothes. Now when you go to a school, what kind of dress do you wear? So the dress you wear is similar to the dress your friend in the same school wears. So you have similar dresses in your school. That is called a uniform. So there are some special jobs or works or places where we need a special kind of clothes. These are called uniforms. So who wears these uniforms? The policemen, soldier, firemen, nurses, and even the children who go to school wear the uniforms. Now here we have some pictures and we have the names of the people. So the first person is the policeman. So I will write it for you. The first is the policeman. So we will write here policeman. The second picture is of a student. Right here, student. So in this way you have to write all the names over here from the list of names that are given. So you have to match the names with the pictures. Now here's a small fun activity that you need to do. So you have to make 3 sentences beginning with I like to wear. So what do you like to wear? Either you like to wear jeans, you like to wear shirts, or you like to wear fancy dresses. So you can write in 3 sentences or 3 of the things that you like to wear. Now here is a fill in the blanks that is given, and you have to choose the words from the given that are given in the blue oval column. So first we have clothes dash us from the cold, rain and heat. So the answer is protect. So it is A over here. Cotton, silk and wool are natural fibers. B over here. Silk is a special material that we get from the silkworm. C over here. The hair of the dash is spun into wool. D. It is sheep. And people who are in special jobs wear uniforms. So children, I have marked all the correct answers from the box that is given above, and you are required to write it in the blanks given in the statements below. Now let's see what we have. We have a small fun activity where you have to write 2 names of the clothes, the types of clothes that are mentioned here. The first we have the woolen clothes. So what kind of woolen clothes do you wear? You wear sweaters, cardigans, caps, gloves. So you can mention any of the woolen clothes that you wear, and you can stick a small piece of wool in below this. First write the names and then below stick a small piece of wool on the first box. Then we have cotton clothes. What kind of cotton clothes do you wear? You wear shirts, trousers, kurtas, saris. So these are some of the clothes that we generally wear. You can mention them and you can stick a small piece of cotton cloth below it. Then silk clothes. So silk clothes, we have silk saris, we have silk shirts, and we have many more silk dresses that you can write and stick a small piece of silk below what you have written. So this is all that we have had to do in this session. Until we meet in the next session with a new chapter, it's goodbye for now.